Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Thursday. As some of you might have noticed, our machines come in very different sizes, but have you ever wondered how many models there are? Let's ask Amel, one of our salesmen.
Hey Yuli, great question. In total we have 10 different machine sizes. We are working in confection sizes, M, L, XL, 2XL and 3XL, so in total 5 different widths of the machine. Here an M model with a width of 1.33 m, so 1,330 millimeters. And then the length is given as the number, here 1600, so the depth of the machine is 1600 millimeters. When we turn around here on our other machine that we have in our application center, an L1200, the L determines the width, meaning 1.80 m, so 1,800 millimeters in the width, and the depth of the machine, so the length is 1.20 m, so 1,200 millimeters. And this goes up to a maximum machine size of the 3XL. Here, 3,210 millimeters by 3,200 millimeters, so the largest machine that we have. Here also has a conveyorized system for roll widths up to 3.20 m.